Afternoon, sir. We are from Team Tesseract, and we'll share our output with you. Uh,
Okay. Could you please currently make your presentation? Aditi,
uh,
you may please coordinate.
uh, should I do the presentation or the output, sir?
Yeah, please go ahead.
I'm asking presentation or output, sir. We have
Whatever
the
you are
present.
having, say, you are having 5 minutes at your disposal. You try to
Okay,
make
sir.
best use of your time
We'll
so that
show
we
our
can appreciate it better.
our website, sir. So this is our website. We can upload a image of a vehicle, also a video of a vehicle. It will automatically extract the details about the particular vehicle, and it will display the results in the form of a table containing all the parameters of the particular vehicle, sir. So as you can see, this vehicle, the license plate number and insurance. We also added a feature for insurance by creating a demo sample database of the Vahan database, and we can also add a particular vehicle to the suspect list, so that whenever the vehicle is found next time in any CCTV camera or any other in any other location, the vehicle number and all the details about the vehicle, including damage, make, model, and peculiar attachments, will be extracted from the CCTV footage and will be we can give a alert to the police like this. So this vehicle was previously added to the suspect list, and as you can see, suspect found is displayed, sir. So we are extracting all this information about the vehicle type, make, model, color of the vehicle, damage, and plate number. Also, using the color of the plate, we can classify whether the vehicle is private or commercial or government vehicle. So there are 6 types of colors in plates. So we are also doing it. And as you suggested yesterday, we are trying to implement the to determine the width and height of characters. So as of now, we have implemented a regular expression to check whether the license plate number matches the standard format given by the government. If not, we are currently doing it as the license plate number is not registered or unknown, and we will give a alert to the police. But as you suggested yesterday, we will also extract the license plate details like the width of each character and font, and we can also give this to the judges in the courts to file a complaint against these vehicles. So, and we
Hello,
also have added
Mr.
a
Makija.
search field.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Huh?
Yeah. We have also added a search feature. For example, this particular TN02BK6751 vehicle of the make Nissan Almera and color gray, uh, it is found in these many locations of different CCTV cameras. We are plotting this in a real-time graph, interactive graph. So along with the date, time, and last seen location, latitude, longitude. So we are plotting this graph, which can be used by the police to track whether the in which direction the vehicle is moving, and to take further actions by scrutinizing the process of search to the particular uh, location of the vehicle, sir. And also, this even works with the videos. We'll also show one of the videos. So this is the same car. So here you can see suspect found is displayed, and along with the car number, make, model, and damage details, we'll process everything and store everything in the database, sir.
So whether it is looking for the accessories, hangings, pasting,
Yes, sir.
bands.
Yesterday you suggested to implement. We have done that. We saw the output yesterday, right? We have to incorporate that into this, sir. We have the output for that separately, but due to the processing time might increase, so we didn't include it in this model. But we have it, sir. You said that processing time is not an issue, so we can simply add that model into this. We have the working code. Uh, it's just a simple matter of extending the process.
Great.
So
Basically, we have to understand that there's something called database building. In
Yes,
database
sir.
building, we are not in a hurry because we are not detecting any crime. We are not working on a crime. We are working on a vehicle and we intend to build our database. So when we are building our database, we may not be in a hurry at all, right? Let it take more time and in parallel,
Okay, sir.
things will go and they will get stored in database. Now, when we are identifying certain things like
Okay, sir.
number plate is not okay or it is a stolen plate, now it will be generating a lead on the investigation lead. And if
Yes,
there
sir.
may be two situations. One situation when the crime is registered, and there may be another situation when we have inferred a crime before without any registration of crime. Say if number plate is wrong, so no case is registered, but we have identified that there is a violation, and this violation is compoundable, and then we want to take note of it. We want to push it to the competent authority. We want to get his signature so that it should become a challan. Then we want 50% that payment link should go. The payment should be made. 50% should go to the volunteer or owner of the device, and remaining 50% should go to the state treasury. So that there should be very strong incentive to capture this kind of revenue. We want that there should be very strong incentive for the people to put their notes. And in future, we would like n number of the triple P on the triple P model, n number of the notes should come because each note would be earning to the owner or even to the companies or to the startup. So even startup can
Yes, sir.
think of putting their own notes, and for each violation, it will be converted into challan, and 50% money of compounding will go to the owner or to the volunteer. So it will be a
Yes,
huge
sir.
money. So one thing is identifying violation, that is one part. Building the database, that is the first and primary objective. Then identifying
Okay,
violation,
sir.
that is the second objective. Then identifying evidences and putting it to the board, that would be the third. And the fourth would be having investigation lead, and that could be pushed to investigating officer, and we would like to integrate it with their app directly so that compliance could be easily monitored. If it will go like a directly to the person, then it will go in some format, whether he takes cognizance or not. So if it could be integrated right on the app, and it could become a process flow diagram for smart investigation of that particular offense, then probably we will be in a much advantageous position
Yes, sir.
because here we are trying to take care of human weaknesses. Everybody is not working with the same zeal, everybody is not working with the same kind of intention. So if the things are already integrated right in their app, probably whether he is having intention or not, we would be in position to get a reasonable output from that police officer. So that is also one of the idea, and our solution has
Yes,
to
sir.
be catered around the vision because solution will be consistent with the vision,
Yes, sir.
right?
Okay, sir.
So whether you could do
Yes,
that
sir.
number plate
We have
reading
also
and
built an app
identifying
for
that
it.
number plate is not in conformity. So basically, I am having a few questions. Number one, whether it is building the
Yes, sir.
360-degree views of the vehicle. Number one, whether it is identifying all peculiarities and accessories or sticker, whatever is fitted on the vehicle. That is the number three. Number four would be it can identify or then identify the vehicle with the two people. Number one, driver, and number two, owner. Right? If it is a
Yes, sir.
driving related violation, then driver would be responsible. If it is a vehicle related violation, then owner would be responsible. Right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So accordingly, it will be doing that kind of thing. Say
Yes, sir. We have.
if number plate is not appropriate, the driver is less responsible. Owner of the vehicle is more responsible, right? But if he is not
Yes,
driving
sir.
vehicle properly, then probably driver is responsible, right? Or
Yes,
if
sir.
he is driving a vehicle under intoxication or those kind of scenarios, then say driver is more responsible. So in
Yes,
both
sir.
kind of the things, and then the next aspect we said that this vehicle has become either used for the committing crime or it has become victim of crime. So I
Yes,
had
sir.
given these two things also. I don't
Yes, sir.
know
We
how
have
fast you can demonstrate that.
which one, sir?
Whatever I said, are you in position to demonstrate? Or
Uh, yes, sir. We can demonstrate the stickers and the peculiar attachments of the vehicle. That thing we can demonstrate now, sir.
okay, so if you can do it hurriedly, please do that. Number one. Number two,
Yes,
I
sir.
suggest that whatever I have discussed with you, you can prepare a note, and that note could be used, because I am the very purpose of this presentation is beyond Smart India Hackathon. How we can
Sir.
really take an integrated approach after the Smart India Hackathon, how we can really go into the MOU with your institute, how we can have additional modules so that we can work further and in devising and designing solution. This should be consistent with our vision. And here
Yes, sir.
vision is very important, because the main problem with our system, that individuals are not doing their job seriously. Hence, we have to move beyond that,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. So this is the output, sir. Uh, this is a peculiar sticker of a particular car. We are
Uh,
identifying
your,
that.
your screen is not seen. Yeah, please. Yeah.
Is it visible, sir? No.
Now it is visible. Yeah.
Okay. So this is a car image which contains a peculiar attachment. The sticker Black Lives Matter is present here. So we have identified the black sticker alone, and then lives, and then matter. So these three things are identified, and along with the coordinates, we have identified the pixel coordinates x and y values of all these text stickers peculiar attachments are in the car, and we have recorded it. So and also it will automatically try to categorize it whether it is a text or an image, and it will display the uh, whatever text is present. It will translate it using the OCR software, and we will display black lives and matter. So this we have done. As a further implementation, we can also do the 3D modeling of the car just by collecting. We need more data about cars, sir. So as of future implementation, we will definitely do it, sir. And we have also identified the license plate details. We will implement it. We have implemented 70% of what you said, sir. So as of future implementation, we can definitely do it, sir.
So my suggestion would be that you continue with the work, and
Yes, sir.
we will work out the further modality, how we can work with your institute, and how we can
Okay.
convert into a formal MOU, and how we can really allocate you the even futuristic work as well,
Yes, sir.
which
And
will go
also,
beyond Smart India Hackathon.
yes, sir. Yesterday, you gave a suggestion like the facial recognition of the driver detail. So you suggested us to uh, team up with MS331 and implement it. So if you want, we can also do that, sir. The
Yeah,
facial
that will be
recognition.
great. That will
Yeah.
be great. Basically, there are three things connected. Number one, vehicle. Number two, who is driving it, and third is who is owner of the vehicle.
Owner of the for
Owner of the
owner
vehicle
details,
will
we
come
can
from.
use the insurance
Uh,
database, sir.
Correct. Great.
Yes, sir.
Great. That would be the most accurate database also.
Yes,
That's
sir.
true. That is true.
Okay, sir.
So your team has done good job. We have seen your work earlier also, and I think now we will take it forward. Please submit your detail with your evaluator, so that and whatever we discussed, you make a note on it, so that it should stay on record. Please submit it to evaluator, and that will reach to me as an extra piece. And then we will work on MOU, and we will work on how to take it to the further level, and how we can convert this initiative in patents, and how we can convert it to a startup. That will also be somewhere in back of my mind. So
Okay,
how
sir.
best we can really do that, we will explore that, and we will have a formal MOU with your institute also. So
Thank you, sir.
you can talk to the competent authority, and they can you can give my contact detail to them, and we can within 4 or 5 days, not later than a week, let it be a formalized in a formal MOU, so that we can work faster. because
Yes, sir. Okay.
we cannot afford to be little relaxed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So whom should I
so
contact regarding giving information, sir?
I feel you are having my number. You can note down 9425606040. I think this number must be available with you otherwise also, when because I was interacting and I gave that number. So you can
Okay,
give
sir.
it to evaluator, and you can give it directly on my WhatsApp number also. This is my WhatsApp number, and my
Okay, sir.
email ID is maithilisaran@gmail.com. That is also very simple, maithilisaran@the rate of gmail.com, right? So
Sir, okay, sir.
you can use all three options, and we will figure out how fast we can move beyond the Smart India Hackathon.
Okay, sir.
Right. Please take
Any,
next team.
thank you, sir.
Okay. All the best. You have done a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Aditi, can you take next team so that we can fast have listen to them? So everybody should get some opportunity to tell something. They should not feel deprived. Aditi. Aditi, you can switch on your mic and you can coordinate because you are already dealing with them. So I think things could be done little fast because we are already we are basically lagging behind. I am listening. No sound. Nobody is responding. Who is the next person in queue? Aditi, Mr. Reddy, Mr. Burma. Mr. Burma, are you listening? I think should we quit and go for the next team? Hello, Asrit. Hello, hello,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
hello, Asrit.
No, sir.
What is the issue? Nobody is responding. One team
I
has made
think
the project.
they have muted their mics and gone somewhere, sir.
Okay, so should we? I think what is the time? I think it is already time for the next group.
Yeah,
I think
it's
only
12.
two teams are only have joined. Aditi Patel is one of my team members, sir.
Hello.
So, whether you intend to say something or quickly in 2 minutes you want to say whatever you want to say.
Great. I have already presented it to you, sir.
So we just want
Please.
to, sir, hello.
Yeah, please. Yeah,
So we
Aditi. Yeah.
thank you for giving this opportunity in
Yeah, it's
coordination.
a pleasure. It's a pleasure. It is a joint journey, and we are partner in the same mission.
Yeah. As the road safety and security is very important, technology will take it further accordingly. It will help. The technology will help.
Basically, we are going much beyond. We are not thinking road accident alone. We are thinking much beyond. We
Yes,
are
sir.
thinking to make this country crime free. So
Yes.
our challenges are much more. We have to use technology. We have to use man. We have to use gadgets in integration, including experts, so that
Yes, sir.
we can give the best benefit to our society. And talking crime-free Bharat is not a small thing. It's a very big thing. It is a 5 prong strategy, which probably you might have heard.
Yes, sir.
So, can you coordinate that someone else if you want to say something so that he can say, and then we have to quickly move on to the another problem statement. Aditi, whether someone else is ready or we can presume that.
Sir, I guess 2 of the teams are connected. Both the teams have coordinated. I think sir will know about the rest of the team.
So whether somebody is ready for the presentation, or we presume that one team has given a detailed presentation and rest will be submitting their details, and then we can move on to other problem statement. What is your suggestion, Aditi?
Arshid sir, I think we can move, sir.
Achha, okay. So then I am quitting from here, and I will be joining next problem statement. Aditi, your team has done wonderfully well. I was watching. You people are doing very sincere job, and it is very important also, because for rest of the things we are more talking of the criminal and their associate, and here we are talking of all vehicles, because any vehicle can become the victim of crime, and when the vehicle will become victim of crime, they may not be in position to recall these details. So if the details are already stored in a database and they can use smartly, then probably we would be in position to get a lot of evidence, we will be in position to get a lot of investigation lead, and probably we might be in position to detect offenses which are not even registered. That kind of detection would be possible. So it is very nice to get connected, and we can. I am just quitting it, and whosoever is listening, I would like to convey my appreciation and congratulations for the team has done wonderfully well, and probably we will be moving ahead Smart India Hackathon. We will be entering into a formal MOU, and we will be devising solutions for crime-free Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.